Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So gold traders are gearing up for possibly another record high, buying the dips at the moment after talks continue between America, Russia, not the Ukraine, but they're hoping to have some sort of say in the next 24 hours about the direction of where the conflict's going to go. So this has been slightly giving us a bit more volatility on the yellow metal, and as you can see here on the chart, we're just having another dip lower, similar to what we saw not so long ago. So now we're just on the 4-hour chart waiting to see if price action is going to start really moving towards the previous tops that we've been seeing over the last couple of weeks and hitting another record actually. It's looking likely that we will have another test. Will it be a triple top, a triple failure actually, and prices start moving a bit lower? Well, a lot of traders are hoping that they won't go back down towards the 2800 area. This is the zone where a lot of bulls especially are looking to stay clearly away from. And if we look on the next psychological level at 3000, we weren't really far away from it at these particular two peaks here. So there's not too much sentiment in that direction at the moment. However, a lot of things can change in 24 hours, and with the talks still ongoing, this is the main driver, the main key fundamental aspect that could be pushing gold at the moment. So lots to take in, not too much in the fundamental news aspect. We've got unemployment rate coming out of the UK today. We've got FOMC minutes tomorrow, which could shed a light on the direction of the Fed as well. They're not looking to cut any rates, possibly until the end of the year, if not at all. And there's actually a whisper that they could actually increase rates after all this time of being very high in the market due to the pandemic. So let's just see where we're going to go from there. But the two double tops here, like I said, the two peaks is where we're looking to break if we're going to have this move towards 3000 anytime soon. We'll just take a look at the dollar index as well. From my last look, we were seeing price action possibly start moving higher due to the oversold nature of the RSI. Now we're just seeing a tick higher, so we could be seeing a little bit of a turnaround here in the near term, but as you can see, very subdued for the American dollar. It has actually pulled back across the board from its competitors as well, the euro, the pound, the yen. So this is something we're looking at as well. We'll probably look into currencies as we get into the week because the gold and the dollar are the key driver, key focus for a lot of traders at the moment. So it is looking likely that price action will remain quite choppy for the next 24 hours, depending on where the talks are going. Just keep an eye out for the big fundamental news events. Obviously, as the American session opens, we could see a little bit more volatility in the market. Slight push higher for the dollar, excuse me, and possibly a move above the 107 and a confirmation that will give bulls a little bit more of a breathing room. Just kind of touching that particular area at the moment, but not really following up any bids above that. But like I said, with the RSI in that oversold scenario, we are looking likely that we will have a slight uptick, but we'll wait and see how much of that will be to the upside or not. So thank you very much today. We'll check all the latest in the fundamental advent and on the calendar and see what's happening, and we'll have to see if there's going to be any more moves in the market, unexpected moves as well. This is very, very key, especially if Donald Trump gets involved in the talks as well. The markets could start being very volatile, so just keep an eye out for that. So thank you very much for joining me today, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.